Summer is almost here and we the oily skin girls know the struggle is now real. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to achieve this beautiful oil-free, sweat-proof, waterproof and matte makeup look for summer. If you are an oily skin girl just like me and wanna know how to achieve this look, then please keep on watching. We oily skin girls always look for something that absorbs the oil without making our skin dry and patchy. But the products that have calamine tends to dry out our skin, and now Dermaco has come out with their newly launched Hyalacalamine range. So first I'm gonna use the Dermaco 2% Hyalacalamine Oil Control Face Wash that clears the excess oil, dirt from your pores and keeps your skin acne free. It has hyaluronic acid complex that leaves the skin hydrated and calm, and calamine that eliminates excess oil while soothing your skin. This face wash has a non-drying formulation. It maintains healthy hydration and nourishment while maintaining the natural moisture of your skin. Hyaluronic acid prevents moisture loss. Calamine has excellent antiseptic, antibacterial, absorbing and soothing properties that helps absorbing excess oil, and it calms down your skin. 1% niacinamide controls excess oil and sebum production, and it actively works towards reducing acne marks and scars. It gives you even toned and clear looking skin. This one is my favorite. It's the Dermaco 6% Hyalacalamine Matte Face Lotion. It has calamine clay and hyaluronic acid complex that absorb and control excess oil in the skin and gives you a fine matte finish. This has antibacterial properties of calamine that helps to clear up whiteheads and blackheads actively. The hyaluronic acid complex maintains a healthy hydration level and doesn't make your skin feel dry. This lotion also has SPF of 20 and it gives you protection against UVA and UVB rays. The best part is both of these products have niacinamide in them that reduces the appearance of acne scars and dark spots and gives you a fresh, clear, even toned skin. Both of them are fragrance free, and every time you buy from the Dermaco, they will link your order to a child that they're gonna help educating along with Bhumi. They are placed to help 10,000 plus students across the year. Moving on to this sunscreen, and I have recently started using this pore minimizing priming sunscreen from the Dermaco. I've been using it from past 1 month and oh my god, this is such a beautiful sunscreen. As the name says, it's a pore minimizing priming sunscreen, so it deals with your pores, and if you use that, you don't have to use a primer separately. In summer, I follow this one extra step, which is using a setting spray before starting off with my makeup. Here I'm using this Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Super Setter Spray. I'm not gonna use any foundation today. Instead, I'm using this Maybelline New York Fit Me Fresh Tint. It has SPF of 50 and vitamin C. I am in the shade 05. As summer is here, so I ordered the shade 05. Otherwise, I would have ordered the shade 03 because 05 is more of my summer shade. Now, this looks so natural and beautiful on the skin. It gives you a fresh, bright look. It's soft matte. It's very comfortable to wear. It's sweat proof and I love it for summer. If you want, you can skip your concealer as well, but as I have a little bit of dark circles, so I'm using a concealer here. I'm gonna apply it on the highest points of my face and underneath my eyes. Now this is gonna make my under eyes look a bit brighter, and if you have a lot of active acne or acne issues or acne scars, you can use a concealer which is very close to your skin tone and just dot it on top of those areas and not all over your face, and you are good to go. Next, I'm taking this loose powder and I'm gonna set my face because I have oily skin and I don't want my skin to look oily and greasy. So a setting powder is a must if you have oily skin. This is gonna make your skin look matte. Using the same setting spray to lock the base makeup in place so that it doesn't move or budge. Next, just quickly filling in the gaps of my brows so that it looks nice and structured. Moving on to the blush, and as you guys know, I love applying blushes. Let me give you a tip here. In summer, if you have oily acne prone skin and if you have a lot of active acne going on, then please don't use any liquid or cream blush. Use a powder blush instead. If you have active acne, bumps or a lot of textures on your skin, please don't go for cream products or glowy products. Instead, go for matte products because glowy products tends to exaggerate those textures. So just go for matte powder blush and you are good to go. I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow today. I'm using the same blush on my crease just to give it a little hint of color, and that's it. To finish off the eyes, I'm gonna curl my lashes and apply 2 coats of mascara only on the top lashes. To finish off the makeup look, here I'm using a liquid lipstick from Iba. Now you can use whatever you prefer, be it a lip tint, a lip balm, a lip gloss, whatever you like. I just applied a little bit, then dabbed it with my finger, and also I used a little bit of blush on top just to give it a little bit of monochromatic effect. And yep, that's it. That's the finished makeup look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Remember, subscribing is for free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it will help me a lot. So please consider subscribing. All of the product details and links are mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.